Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical ports and power. This matters because Ethernet needs direct electrical continuity. Once done, choose the cable grade. Cat5e handles gigabit reliably, Cat6 if you plan higher throughput. Make sure your run is under 100 meters to avoid signal degradation, and plan the path now so you avoid later rework. You'll also note whether you need a straight-through or crossover cable for older gear. This first preparation minimizes surprises. You'll route the cable next, keeping gentle curves and away from power lines to reduce interference. Then terminate. Crimp RJ45 plugs or punch down keystones carefully. Good terminations preserve pair twist and signal integrity. Once terminated, test continuity and wiring order with a cable tester. You want green lights, not intermittent shorts. Finally, secure runs with ties and label both ends. Leaving slight slack prevents stress on connections and makes future changes easier. You finish by plugging in and checking the physical link LED. Solid or flashing indicates a successful link. Next, verify IP settings and run a ping or speed test to confirm expected throughput. This tests both Layer 1 and Layer 3. If speeds or connectivity are wrong, swap ports or cables to isolate the fault. As a key troubleshooting tip, recrimp or replace the connector first. Many issues resolve by correcting a poor termination rather than replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.